Good afternoon, everybody. Bob DePlacido, Product Management with Watts at ASPE 2024. Today we're going to go over some of the contractor labor-saving products we have in the market today. So we've recently launched a new downspout nozzle. The advantage that this provides is a couple things. First and foremost, it's a universal connection. So instead of having 3 different connection types that you do today, this 2-piece design uses gaskets and clamps around any of those connections. It's also a shallower, more aesthetic design overall. The bird screen is also integrated into it to prevent any tamper-proof as well as any debris to get caught up in there. And they're anti-staining with the aluminum powder-coated finish. Coming over to our carrier design, we've recently integrated our waistline sleeve down here in the leg, which is a pre-factory welded solution. And what this allows you to do is travel the waistline through the upright versus to have to go around it for narrow chase applications and overall labor saving. As we look over to some of our other products for like the roof drains, the carriers, couple things that we have with our standard roof drain is preset and post-installation adjustment with some of the options. And then as we look over at our closet carrier system, we have our QT carrier with the quick turn, which allows you to preset this tiling plate. You set the coupling in place, you do a simple quarter turn, and you're locked in place for final installation. Looking back at the trench system, market-leading trench solution. So unlike the balance of the industry, we have a neutral channel, and all of the slope comes with the frame itself, which allows for simpler and quicker installation overall.